Hey, hi everyone. I hope I'm audible to you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Just a hold on. We'll now add our guest for the evening. Yeah. Hi, Diva. Hey, hi, how are you? Good evening.
Good evening, Javnika. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you? How's the lockdown treating you?
Fabulous. All locked up as ever.
Yeah, okay. So, tell me something that you must have discovered in this lockdown. Some hobbies, long lost hobbies, or anything?
Uh, Long lost hobbies, I don't know, but I've discovered new art that I'm very good at household work too.
Lovely, great,
Something that I've never done, but I'm doing.
great, glad to know that. So here we are today. We have so many people joining us. Of course, hi Alok Singh, hello Manisha,
Good evening,
Mansi.
everyone. Thank you for
Hi,
joining
good.
us.
Yeah, so today, as mentioned, we will be discussing about personality development, and who else can be better than Kushnam ma'am, of course. Yeah,
Thank you.
so let's begin then.
Sure.
All right. So, of course, if you have any questions, there is this comment box. Kindly drop your questions. We'll try to take up those questions as well. But we have our own questionnaire as well prepared for you guys.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Of course.
And
So,
before we start, Javnika, I'd like to congratulate all the students who passed their science exams. The results were out today. So,
yes, of
congratulations to
course.
all of them. And of course, all those who didn't make it through, not an issue.
Of
There's
course.
always another chance in life.
Very true.
And
Very well mentioned.
Panache is always there. So you're most welcome to come and inquire with us, and we'll show you the way ahead.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Even I would like to congratulate all those who made through this year, but and the ones who did not, that's okay. So there is always another chance, and we are
There's
always
always
there.
another.
Yes, always.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right. So let's move forward with the session. Let's take up the session ahead. So
Sure.
may I, ma'am?
Absolutely, all yours. The stage is yours, Javnika.
Great. Okay. So my first question to you would be, according to you, what is
Hmm.
first impression? Like, how important it is in one's life?
First impression, I would say, is one of the most important things when we talk about creating an impression. Now, creating an impression, something is very important because that is going to go a long way in your life. And the first time that you meet,
Yeah.
it is very, very important because the opposite person kind of creates an image of you in the first 20 to 30 seconds that you meet a person for the first time. And
Very true.
after that, it is very, very difficult to change that image.
Hmm.
For which reason, the first impression to be created is very important and it has to be created in a very positive manner. For which I would say that put in a little more effort
Yeah.
on how you look, how you carry yourself, how your body posture is. All this put together will create the positive first impression, which is very, very important.
All right. Great, great. Of course, first impression do leaves an imprint about yourself. So,
Absolutely.
okay. So now that we have already discussed about first impression, could you please tell me something about image? Like, what do you mean by image?
What do I mean by image? Okay, so the image that we create for the first impression, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
So when we are talking about creating a positive image,
Hmm.
there are some basic rules that are there, or you can call
Right.
them the ABCD of image.
Hmm.
So when we talk about the ABC, it is appearance, behavior, and your
Okay.
communication. So paying attention to all these three aspects helps create a positive image for a first impression, or wherever you want to create that image for that matter.
True.
So when we are talking about appearance, we
Hmm.
are talking about how you look, right? So how
Of
you
course.
look, how you carry yourself, your
Yeah.
grooming, your hygiene. Hygiene
Right.
is something again which people kind of ignore, but is very, very important when we are talking about creating a positive image.
True.
So, yes, your appearance. Then we come to behavior. So,
Hmm.
behavior is basically, we would say, your social etiquettes, the mannerisms that you are taught. So creating those positive image with the right amount and the right social etiquettes taught to you for that given environment.
Right.
Each environment has its own ways of behavior and their own social etiquettes to be followed. So that is very important. To have that knowledge is very, very important.
True.
And
True.
then the third one would be your communication. So when we are talking about communication, communication again can be subdivided into two parts, which
Okay.
would be verbal and non-verbal. So putting both these together and your appearance and your social etiquettes, your behaviors, your mannerism, verbal, non-verbal communication, everything together, you would be able to create a positive image.
Absolutely. Of course. Makes sense. Makes sense. Of
Yeah,
course.
great.
I hope this actually makes sense to all the viewers that are joining us in the room right now. So now that we have come up to the ABC of image, that is appearance,
Right.
behavior, and communication. So, ma'am, can you just elaborate something about appearance? Like, I'm very sure this would be a fascinating, topic up to all the viewers in the room. That what do you actually mean by appearance? Is it the only outer beauty that you are talking about?
Not actually. When we are talking about appearance, we are talking about your grooming, your poise, your body language, and your overall self presentation.
Hmm.
All that put together would be your appearance, how you look,
Right.
and how you want to project yourself. See, it's not only about you looking good and your makeup, but your overall. You may be very well groomed in a designer dress, all, but your body language is not proper. You're slouching, you're not walking properly. You're actually walking as if the entire world is on your shoulders. That is not going to create a positive image.
Right. Of
So
course.
everything put together, well balanced in a proper manner, is what we are talking about, a good positive appearance that we would be creating.
All right. Great. Glad to know that. I would, meanwhile, we were discussing about it. We had few, members who joined us in this room,
Okay.
in this
Yeah.
live chat. So I would like
Mhm.
to welcome them. Hello, everyone who just joined us quite late. So, yeah, so we were discussing about image and first impression.
Right.
In case if you have any queries, please do write down to us in the comment section. We'll definitely try to answer all the queries that you have. All right. So moving on to, as ma'am, you mentioned about appearance, and in
Hmm.
that you mentioned about hygiene and posture and everything.
Right.
So could you please tell me about your health regime? What's the
Wow.
secret motivation? What's the secret motivation? So no, our viewers definitely would like to know that.
Well, for all the viewers who knew me a few years back and who know me today, I'm sure they have seen a great change in me, which has taken place over the last 1.5 year. So, yes, there was a time when I'm not very ashamed to say, but yes, there was a time when I let myself go and was not very much paying attention to my own physical appearance. But things changed, and yes, I worked on myself. Diet, what you put in your mouth is very important. So take a moment, think what you're eating, what you're putting in, and that will make a big lot of difference. Apart from that, yes, certain amount of workout is very important. If you don't want to hit the gym, that's perfectly fine, but go for regular walks and spare some time out for yourself. That is very important.
Okay.
And
So that
of
was
course,
your secret motivation.
sorry,
So that was the secret motivation?
secret motivation was the image that I saw in the mirror when I saw myself.
Okay. Of course. Mm.
So that image that I saw, I was not very happy with. And the motivation to change that image was the motivation that it was a self-motivated move. And I would
Okay.
say there is no other motivation that will work positively for you more than your own self motivation. Unless you are self motivated, then only you will be successful on this journey of a healthy life.
Great, great. That was a real inspiration for all of us. You have been since past 1 year that we are watching you out, of course. So
Thank you.
I had this one question. I
Hmm.
really
Sure.
wanted to ask you, how do you maintain the peace of mind? Like, how can you be so calm? How can one person be so calm?
Wow. Javnika, you've seen me in office. Hmm. Well, maintaining your peace, I would say more than maintaining peace, it is basically to train yourself in your anger management. How you manage your anger is very important. It's very necessary to think before you say something. Take a moment, take a break, take that fraction of a second, think before you open your mouth. The
Hmm.
words that once go out of your mouth, it is impossible ever to take them back. And the
True,
damage is done.
true.
So it is very important to take that moment, think before we open our mouth.
Hmm.
Apart from that, yes, you are angry for something, you do not agree with the opposite person. That's okay. You can express your thoughts, you can express your views, but express them in an assertive manner more than an aggressive manner or a submersive manner. The best way to express your views would be to express them in an assertive manner, wherein you are expressing yourself, but at the same time, you're not telling the other person that you are also wrong or whatever it is. So,
True.
and you can add a tinge of humor to calm the situation down and get it back under control.
Great, great, great. So that was a mantra for anger management.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Great. So I have a question over here.
Okay.
That is from Abhi.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what we can do to fit our body in these days due to lockdown? Any mantra?
Abhi, I understand the lockdown is there, for which reason we are not able to go to the gym, we are not able to go out for walks. But as I said, what you can keep in mind is what you're putting in your mouth. So be conscious about that. And apart from that, yes, there are a lot of exercises you can do at home itself. No need to go to the gym. There are a lot of exercises you can do without equipments also. So yes, you can follow them